Hello, I'm Mary Ellen. Welcome to my channel Life is Messy but I am learning as I grow, where we embrace the mess, laugh at the mishaps and celebrate the progress. Whether I'm cooking up a recipe, burning my fingers on the hot glue gun while crafting, digging in the garden or heading out on a family adventure, it's all about learning, growing and giving ourselves permission to not be perfect. Mistakes happen, and that's okay because in life's messes we learn and grow. Around here we focus on enjoying the process and making messy memories. So if you're into real-life creativity with a side of chaos, you're in the right place. Looking for a fun nature-inspired DIY? Today we're making pine cone wall art, a creative and budget-friendly project using just pine cones, paint and hot glue. It's a perfect way to bring a rustic handmade touch to your home decor. With a little imagination, these pine cones can be transformed into flower-like shapes and arranged into a beautiful piece of art you'll be proud to hang on your wall. Let's get started. Gather these supplies: acrylic paint, any colors you like, paintbrushes, hot glue gun and glue sticks, picture frame, pine cones, scissors or pruning shears optional for cutting pine cones, paintbrushes. You can find written instructions for this craft in the video's description. Collect pine cones, head outside and gather pine cones in good shape. Avoid ones that are broken, dirty or full of bugs. Clean and dry, rinse the pine cones under cool water to remove dirt or debris. Let them dry completely. This may take a day or two. You can speed up drying by placing them on a baking sheet in a low-temp oven, around 200 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Cut and trim optional. Using scissors or pruning shears, trim some pine cones to various lengths. This gives you a mix of textures and helps them resemble blooming flowers. Paint your pine cones, choose any colors you like. Use acrylic paint or spray paint to coat the pine cones. You can paint them all one color, create ombre effects or go full rainbow. Let the paint dry thoroughly. Prepare your frame. Open your picture frame and remove the glass or plastic pane. You'll be gluing the pine cones directly onto the backing or into the open frame. Arrange the pine cones. Lay out your pine cones in the frame before gluing. Play around with placement. Try a symmetrical pattern, a floral burst, or a random wild garden style. There's no wrong way. Use your imagination. Glue in place using generous amounts of hot glue. Attach each pine cone securely to the backing or the inside edges of the frame. Hold each one in place for a few seconds to ensure it sticks. Let it dry. Allow the glue to cool and harden completely before moving your art. Hang and enjoy. Once dry, hang your beautiful pine cone art on the wall. The pine cones often end up looking like rustic flowers, a perfect natural touch for any room. And there you have it, your very own pine cone wall art. This simple project turns a handful of natural materials into something truly beautiful. Whether you hang it in your entryway, living room, or give it as a handmade gift, it's a lovely way to bring a bit of the outdoors inside. Don't be afraid to get creative with colors, shapes, and arrangements. No two pieces will ever be the same. Thank you so much for creating something special with me today. Let me know how you liked this video with a thumbs up or down. And if you didn't love it, feel free to leave a kind comment to help me improve. Please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss what we're learning next. If you're not sure what to do now, watch one of my other videos. I have over 1,000 for you to choose from. Follow me on Facebook and my Pinterest page, or check out my website. Links to all of that and more can be found in this video's description. In life's messes we learn and grow. So get messy and keep learning and growing. I will see you again soon.